Did you know that some of the best herbs for your health might already be in your kitchen? Let's explore the top 5 herbs to boost your well-being while you cook. First up is basil. This aromatic herb isn't just for pasta. It offers powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce stress. Next is rosemary. Known to enhance memory and concentration, it also contains antioxidants that promote overall health. Moving on, we have oregano. This herb is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and it has strong antimicrobial effects. Fourth is thyme. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties can support your immune system, ensuring you stay healthy. Finally, there's parsley. Rich in vitamins and minerals, parsley can help improve digestion and acts as a natural detoxifier. So next time you're cooking, sprinkle a little health into your dish with these incredible herbs. Bon appetit! Don't forget to subscribe and share.